Hey everyone, welcome to Supademo's March updates. But March was less about trying to cram in a million flashy new features and more about making the product better in ways that actually matter when you're using it day in and day out. So in practice, that means more control, better AI inputs, and a lot of cleanup when it comes to bugs and speed, which honestly, personally speaking, I'll take every single time over shipping random features just for the sake of saying we ship something new. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The biggest update this month is timeline-based hotspots for video slides and video demos. And this is a really useful one, especially if you don't want to use video splitting or if you're creating mobile-based product demos. Basically, you can record or upload any video file onto Supademo and use the new video timeline to place hotspots at different timestamps. Then move those hotspots freely around the entire canvas. So instead of needing to split a bunch of steps or recreate everything frame by frame, you can now just layer interactivity on top of the video itself. And the best part is, depending on the experience you're looking for, you can now use either video splitting or timeline-based hotspots to get the exact type of video demo that you want to ship. Second, we added more workspace level controls for defaults. In addition to the call to action and CTA you could already customize for the workspace, you can now set a default intro chapter and brand it for the entire workspace. In addition to that, you have more hotspot controls and designs within the workspace level than you ever had before. This is one of those updates that probably sounds less exciting at first, but if you're creating demos across the team and using Supademo as a daily driver, this is super effective. Because a lot of times teams want consistency, but they don't want every rep or every creator manually rebuilding and tweaking things every single time. So this helps with that. Third, we made some really great updates to the Enhance with AI function within the Chrome extension. In addition to being able to specify the actual output language of the demo that you're creating beforehand, you can now specify the use case as well as the context for the demo so that it produces better text annotations and outputs. This is honestly a pretty important change because the better context we have going into recording a Supademo, the better the AI text output is going to be coming out. So instead of AI just trying to infer everything you're trying to do from the page and the clicks that you're taking, you can actually tell it what you're trying to make. And lastly, bugs, speed improvements, and general polish. This means making things faster, fixing weird edge cases, reducing friction. Because at the end of the day, people don't want more features or complexity for the sake of it. They want the product to feel fast, reliable, and easy to use. And now, onto what's coming soon. RouteHub is arriving in mid-April. The easiest way to think about RouteHub is it's one smart link or one smart embed that routes each viewer to the right content automatically based on their preferences and behavior. Instead of sending the same generic demo to everyone, viewers can now self-select their role, goals, and use case. And then RouteHub adapts exactly what the viewer is served across interactive demos, videos, PDFs, links, and other resources. And in early May, we are launching our AI demo agent. What I'm excited about here is we're not trying to create just another generic chatbot or a fake SDR that talks in circles. The whole point here is that it answers and qualifies prospects using your approved content and guardrails. Things like interactive demos, sandboxes, PDFs, videos, pricing pages, case studies, and docs. It then uses this to answer questions, run discovery, qualify buyers, and guide them to the right context and right next step. This makes it especially useful for things like handling inbound requests, answering standardized enablement questions, or scaling top of funnel qualification. So if March was all about improving the foundation, what's coming next? It's more about helping people get the right context faster at the right time. So yes, that's March. More flexible video demos, more workspace control, and better AI setup. We're super excited about these product updates, and we look forward to showing you what's new in April and in May.